Welcome back to UTech TV. In this video, you will learn how to apply this colorful flower design to this plain white t-shirt to get something like this as a mock-up. So let's get started. To get this done, the first thing is to click on the t-shirt, then click on the Trace Bitmap button up here, and click on Outline Trace, select Line Art, and wait for it to load. Now separate the bitmap traced image from the original image and highlight it. Then click on the Create Boundary button up here. Delete other objects and leave the boundary outline. Now power clip the t-shirt into it and center it properly. Power clip the flower design and expand it to fill the boundary. Now click on the transparency button, choose Uniform Fill, change normal to logical A and D, and finally, change the merge mode to dark. That is it. You have the t-shirt mock-up. This is all for this video. In case of any questions, kindly ask in the comment box below. Please like this video, share it, and also subscribe to this channel by turning on the notification bell. Remember to support this channel with a super thanks. The button is down below. And your support means a lot to UTech TV. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.